9th and 10th class students, a very good morning to you all and your parents. Students, today is 1st of May, Labor Day. On this day, I want to say that learn to respect labor class. They are the ones who produce many things for us, everything for us in factories, in farms, in fields, and they give very, very important services to us. Learn to respect your domestic help, whether it is a man or woman. So labor should be respected by heart. It is because of them that our life is comfortable. So learn to respect them. Don't use any bad words for them when they come to your house for work. When you come across them on roads as vegetable vendors or other vendors, learn to respect them. So for today, I want to say that we should respect and we should be knowing the importance of labor. So let us start today's class. Thank you very much. 10th class students, we continue with exercise 12b, question number 11. The point P34 is reflected to P dash. So I take point 34, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, you know it. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and so on. The point P34, this point P is 34 reflected to P dash in the x-axis. So it will become 3 minus 4. This is P dash. This is 3, 4. This is 3 minus 4. And O dash is the image of O when reflected in the P dash. So I join this line. I join P, draw this line, join P dash. Now this is point O. Its image in this line is O dash. Now it is 1, 2, 3. 3 squares away from this line. So I will go deep inside to 3 squares. 1, 2, 3. This is O dash. It is 3 squares away from the line. So I go inside of 3 squares. 1, 2, 3. O dash has image O dash. So coordinates of P dash 3 minus 4. Coordinates of O dash are 4, 5, 6. This is 6, 0. This is 6, 0. The length of the segment P dash. What is length of this segment? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. P dash is 8 centimeters. I can write here P dash is 8 centimeter. O dash, it is 6 centimeter. O dash is 6 centimeter. Without scale you can also do O dash 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6 centimeter. 6 squares are there of 1 centimeter. Then the perimeter of quadrilateral P dash O. So I draw this quadrilateral O dash, P dash O. I have to find its perimeter. This length is 6 centimeter. This length is 5. This length also 5. This length 6. So perimeter of PO P dash O dash is 6 plus 5 11, 16 plus 6 17 centimeter. Geometrical name of this PO P dash O is it is kite. It is the shape of kite. Two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. So it is the shape of kite. When put camera here. When kite is like that, and kite, these two sides are equal. If it is x, it is x. This is y. This is y. These two sides are equal. So this is shape of kite. These two sides are equal. These two sides are equal, but they are not equal to each other. Then question number 12. A 1 1, B 5 1, C 4 2, D 2 2 are vertices of a quadrilateral. So I take these points on graph. A 1 1, this is A. Then B 5 1, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 1, C 4 2, this is 4 2, then D is 2 2. And draw this quadrilateral. This is A, B, C, D. This is a trapezium. Two sides are parallel. AB is parallel to DC. Two sides are non-parallel. So ABCD is trapezium. ABCD is trapezium. Two sides are parallel. Two sides are non-parallel. Now these points are reflected in the origin. I take another pen. Ink is expanding of this pen. Now A is reflected in the origin, it becomes -1, -1. B is reflected in the origin, it becomes -5, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, -5 1, -1. Then C is -4 -2. D is -2 -2, D dash. So I join these points. This is A dash, this is B dash, C dash, D dash. Now we have to see whether A dash, D dash are collinear or not. So if I join these two, I find these points are collinear. A dash, D, these points are collinear. So A dash, D dash on graph, I find it collinear. When I put scale here, these points are in the straight line, so they are collinear. So I think other questions are for you to solve. If there is any problem, they are of the same type, the questions we have done. No different question is there, but if still you find any difficulty, then you tell me in the comment box or WhatsApp me. I will do that question for you in the next class. For today, it's over. Stay inside, stay safe, and very happy Labour Day to you all. Thank you very much.